In this video we're going to measure using a ruler. So here's my ruler and I've got two black lines to measure. So when I measure using a ruler, I'm going to make sure that the 0 lines up to the end of the line, and then I'm going to put this line here to see where it goes up to. So it goes up to there. So it's between 10 and 11 centimetres, and if I was to do it to the nearest millimetre, the answer is 10.7 millimetres. Let's try the other line here. Let's move this around, the other black line. So rotate it to make sure that the start is at the 0. Here, there we go. I'm going to move in my red line here to make a mark over here. So between 5 and 6 centimetres. And this one is about 5.7 millimetres.